So to start with this 1 minute microwave protein brownie, all you're gonna need is 4 simple ingredients. You're going to need 1 teaspoon of baking powder. You're gonna need 1 teaspoon of cocoa. You're gonna need 1/3 of a cup of water, and then 1 scoop of hexapro. We've decided to go with the flavor of chocolate. So you're gonna add all of those ingredients together and mix them up. The lovely Amanda here is gonna prepare that for us. So what you want out of this is to make a cake batter consistency. It's gonna give you the most optimum flavor for the brownie. Add the water. Give it a little stir. We can obviously time lapse this. And finally, when it's all mixed together, you're going to take your lovely batter, and we're now going to put the batter in Chef Mike for 1 minute. Thanks, Chef Mike. Appreciate you.
And then,
Time lapse.
yeah, and when it hits the end, just reiterate the 1 minute, like.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I was still messing around with the camera angle. So just go, okay, it's been in the microwave for a minute now.
1 minute later. 5 hours.